Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Yerin Online Shop.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, ano to, bedsheet cover to guys. So titingnan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Kasi may mga scam ngayon guys.
Hindi, wow.
So nakalagay pa nga dito sa ano niya yo. Video before opening, no video, no refund. Tama naman talaga si seller. Sige, unbox natin guys. So ito guys, buy one take one siya, bed sheet na pang lalaki guys, boy design. Ito guys, pang double size guys. So si seller guys is legit. Thank you for watching.